Alright, so let's talk about how to get started with Google Classroom, how to join a class, and take you on a little tour of the site. We're going to start off by going to classroom.google.com. Alright, and if this is your first time signing up for Google Classroom, then your page may look something like this. Go ahead and click this little plus symbol in the upper right hand corner and click Join Class. Now your teacher will give you a class code that you can use to enter your specific class page. Go ahead and enter it now and click Join. Alright, now that we're here, let's go ahead and look around. One thing you'll notice is that there are 3 tabs at the top of the page. You have your stream, classwork tab, which will show you where your a lot of your assignments are and where you can access those, and then your people. Let's talk about the stream. So right here you may notice this looks a lot like a stream if you're familiar with Facebook and other social media sites. So this is a stream, and every time someone posts something, it will post right here at the top. You also have some links to some upcoming assignments and things here. If we move over to the classwork tab, this is where a lot of your assignments are posted and where they're organized by the separate tasks. And at the bottom there are some helpful resources. If you look right at the top, you will find some things just to get started and get yourself oriented here on Google Classroom. And if you move on to the People tab, you will be able to see your teachers and all of your classmates. Now Google Classroom likes to use the language teachers and classmates. For our purposes in TESOL, we like to use the terms trainers instead of teachers, and trainees instead of classmates or students. You also notice in the upper left hand corner is the main menu tab. You can go ahead and click this. This will give you access to different classes, to your Google Calendar with all of your assignments, as well as a to-do list. If you click on your to-do list, this is a great place to see what is happening, what are your upcoming assignments. If you don't have very many assignments yet, because this is the start of the class, don't worry, they will eventually be posted for you, and you'll have a view like this for much of the course, showing everything when it's due and with little links so you can go click on this and see those assignments. It also separates it into 2 lists, both your to-do list on one side. If you click Done, you will see all of the assignments that you've done up until this point. Now here in the main menu, we can also access our calendar. This connects to Google Calendar. And this will give us a view of the various assignments we have coming up. You can click on assignment and it will take you directly to the assignment page. We will talk more about these assignments and how to view them in a later video. But if you prefer a calendar view rather than a to-do list kind of view, then you can go ahead and access either of those views right here in your main menu tab, and you can find yourself right back at TESOL if you just click right here in order to get back to your class.